नमस्कार हांव कार्मिना बारबोजा तुमकां हेराल्ड टीव्हीच्या खबरापत्राक कियोका दिता। फाटलीं 4 वर्सां पणजेचो ओडीपी पडून आसा आनी टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग मंत्र्यान पणजेच्या आमदाराक विस्वासान घेवंक ना म्हूण पणजेचो आमदार आतानासियो मोन्सेरातान सांगलें। विभाग बदल्ल्यात ते लेगीत कोणाकूच विस्वासान घेनासतना कशेय बदल्ल्यात म्हूण ताणें फुडें सांगलें। दुसरे वाटेन मोन्सेरात उलयला ते विशीं टीसीपी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन विचारलें तेन्ना ताणें विशय बदल्लो।
The ODP of Panjim has been pending for the past 4 years to be finalized. There are objections, suggestions, everything has been scrutinized. Now it is only basically the details of change of zones and whatever is there that should be basically put on the map. That we are waiting for the past 4 years. Nothing has been happening. So if at least this ODP was in place, then there would have been no problem whatsoever. And here what has happened? Arbitrarily, these people change the zone at any given time. Now 4 years became that ODP is pending for finalization. Then what has happened? Those people who had put objection suggestions, their thing has not been heard. But out of turn, whoever has come, those change of zone has been taken into consideration.
Why delayed?
The delay is that these people are not taking other people into confidence. No? That is the thing. No?
These people, these people,
it's a department
or
TCP department, whoever right from the head of the department. So whoever heads the department, it is right. And there is nothing, no words to be minced. I am just trying to say follow the rules. That is what I am trying to say.
कोणा विचारू बाबा अध्यक्ष
आमचे न्हू रे
काँग्रेसीचे
अध्यक्ष
ते अध्यक्ष म्हणून हांव काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी कितें आहा तांकां प्रत्येकाचे हे पळय सरकार लोकांचे अधिकार प्रत्येकाक आपलें काम करून घेवपाक पूण हांवें बेश्टे फकाळ म्हूण सांगलें विधानसभेन सांगता म्हूण पूण कितें आहा की गव्हर्मेंट हॅज टू रिप्रेझेंट ऑल द पीपल म्हाजेर कोणी विरोधी पक्षान कितें टिका केली म्हणून तेंची कामां बंद जावची ना तेंची कामां बी जावंक जाय लास्टाक हे बीजेपी सरकार कामां करता आनी भारतीय जनता पार्टीची जी नीती आहा त्या नितीचे अनुसार कामां वयता मुख्यमंत्री कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन आनी तनावडे साहेबाक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन जर वयर सकयल कितें करपाक जाय इंटरनली पार्टीचे जे कितें गोश्टी आहा ते आमी इंटरनली आमी सॉल्व करतले ते कांय गोश्टी वायट धरप नासता कोणी केन्ना केन्ना आउटबर्स्ट जाता गो बायलां मदीं झगडी जाताच आता बाबूश आनी म्हाजें रिलेशन खूब वर्साचें ते गो बायल सारकेंच आहा आमी ते कितें नवीन काय ना आनी ते गोश्टी ते सादारणपणे बरे रितीन ते सॉर्ट जावप
करता ओडीपीचेर कितले बॅडली रिफ्लेक्ट जाता गव्हर्मेंटाचेर पळय ते तूं पार्टीचे अध्यक्ष विचार माननीय मुख्यमंत्री विचार हांव हितून भितर हे डोमेनान हांव भितर सरपाक सोदना बॅड नेम दिता न्हू गव्हर्मेंटाक नो कमेंट्स।
उपेंद्र फॉर हेरल्ड टीव्ही।
पेडणे महामार्गाची राखण करूंक दुरीक बांदलोले ते कोसळोन पडला ताची चवकशी करूंक केंद्राचो मंत्री नितीन गडकरीन उलो मारला। गोंयान भोंवडेकारां वाडत आसात ताका लागून गोंयच्या राज्यान आवाज वारे आनी उदकाचें प्रदूषण ताब्याक हाडूंक मास्टर प्लॅन तयार करचो म्हूण ताणें सांगलां। गाडयो पर्यान वापरतात त्यो दुसरे तरेच्यो वापरच्यो म्हूण ताणें फुडें सांगलें।
काल काहीतरी इथे एक लँडस्लाईड झालेला आहे। मी आजच आमचे अधिकारी आले आहेत ते उद्या सगळे भेटून ती चौकशी करणार आहे। त्या सगळ्या कामामध्ये काय जे त्रुटी असतील दोष असतील ते दुरुस्त होईल आणि याबाबतीत योग्य ती चौकशी करून आम्ही नक्की आवश्यकता असेल तर कारवाई करू आणि त्याकडे पण माझं लक्ष आहे। त्या सगळ्याची माहिती मी आज घेतली आहे। तर माझी आपल्याला विनंती आहे की आता नवीन परिप्रेक्षामध्ये गोव्याच्या विकासाचा एक चांगला मास्टर प्लॅन तयार करा। अदरवाईज तुमचंही पण हरिद्वार आणि ऋषिकेश झाल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही। गल्ल्यामध्ये एवढं झालं की आता पार्किंगला जागा नाही आणि आता गोव्यामध्ये 3 गुणा टुरिस्ट येणार एवढं गोवा हे जगाच्या आकर्षणाचं केंद्र आहे। आपण मोठे मोठे रस्ते बांधले आणि एक गोष्ट लक्षात आली की मिडल क्लास आणि लोअर मिडल क्लासमध्ये जुनी गाडी विकत घेतात आणि वरती सगळं सामान ठेवून परिवार पर्यटनाकरता बाहेर निघतो। ती संख्या खूप वाढली आहे कारण हे स्वस्त झालं आहे। 100 रुपयाचं पेट्रोल डिझेल इथे लागतं तिथे 10 रुपयाची वीज लागते। सगळीकडे चार्जिंग स्टेशन येऊन राहिले आहेत आणि यावेळी प्रदूषणापासून मुक्त केलं पाहिजे। माझा सगळ्यात जास्त आग्रह आहे की गोव्याला तुम्ही जल प्रदूषण, वायू प्रदूषण आणि ध्वनी प्रदूषण मुक्त करण्याकरता हायएस्ट प्रायोरिटी द्या. कारण एक वन सायडेड विचार करणं काही बरोबर नाही. इकॉलॉजी आणि एन्व्हायरमेंटही प्रोटेक्ट झाली पाहिजे आणि डेव्हलपमेंट पण झालं पाहिजे. त्यामुळे गोव्याचा संपूर्ण ट्रान्सपोर्ट हे तुम्ही इलेक्ट्रिक म्हणजे अल्टरनेटिव्ह फ्युएल आणि बायो फ्युएलवर जर आणलं तर गोव्याचा आज जी प्रदूषणची लेवल आहे ती अर्ध्यापेक्षा कमी झाल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. आणि ते गोव्याकरच्या जनतेकरता सगळ्यात मोठा पुरस्कार, सगळ्यात मोठा बक्षीस मिळणार आहे.
फोंडेच्या पुलिसांचो आस्पाव असलेल्या फोंडेच्या कुणाची गुडणी सीसीटीव्ही फुटेजीचेर जाचो खूण केला तो कानैया कुमार मंडल पुलीस स्टेशनात नासलेलो दिसलो. खूण केलो म्हणटा त्या आरोपाचेर आदारून ब्रेस्तारा दीस मायना कुडतोरेचे पुलिशेन ट्रक चलोवपी वासुदेव हनुमंत माडाराक सापडायलो.
The Ponda police, who belatedly confirmed that the deceased was in their custody, have failed to provide CCTV footage of the period leading up to the mysterious journey that Vasudev Hanumant Madar was made to undergo in the Ponda police vehicle and was dumped on the road in the Maina Kurthuram jurisdiction. The Maina Kurthuram police on Thursday arrested Vasudev Hanumant Madar, 59, a resident of Khanapur, Karnataka, in the mysterious death case of Kanhaiya Kumar Mondal at Lotoli under suspicious circumstances. A team led by Sai Prafulgiri was dispatched to Karnataka in search of the suspect. It's been 15 days since the death occurred at Lotoli, where the labourer, Mondal, was dropped by the PCR van of the Ponda police station at Lotoli, crossing the station's jurisdiction. As per reports, the truck driver had allegedly run over the dead body of Kanhaiya Kumar Mondal and fled the scene. Later, the Maina Kurthuram police registered a hit-and-run offence against the truck driver. Initial investigations suggested a truck had run him over, but the post-mortem report indicated foul play due to a sharp weapon cut on his neck. It's baffling how a case of a truck driver speeding on an empty road at night, accidentally hitting a body lying on the road, is now facing murder charges. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
आख्ख्या उत्तर गोंयान कान फुटोपर्यंत कायद्या आड व्हडल्यान संगीत वाजयतात ताचे आड उपाय घेवंक गोंयान रियल टायम नॉयज मॉनिटरींग ही मांदावळ उबी करची म्हूण मुंबयच्या उंचल्या कोर्टाचे नीतीदार M.S. कार्निक आनी वाल्मिकी मेनेझिसान सांगलें.
Justices M.S. Karnik and Valmiki Menezes of the Bombay High Court have mandated the installation of real-time noise monitoring systems in Goa to address the blatant and obvious violations of sound pollution regulations caused by blaring music across North Goa. The bench further directed that permissions for places without the necessary licenses to operate should be revoked. It has been detailed in previous orders that real-time noise monitoring systems must be mandatorily installed where music is being played, and the GSPCB must see that the equipment is operational in all places, stated Justice Menezes. Goa State Pollution Control Board, GSPCB, has submitted that there is no noise after 10 p.m. during their inspections. On 30th June 2024, O Heraldo covered a story of complaints made by identified local residents regarding noise pollution. The complainants sought help from Anjuna police during the incidents, but the cases were closed without any police response. Justice Menezes observed that real-time noise pollution monitoring systems must be in place. Justice Menezes instructed Advocate General Devidas Pangam to collate details of establishments in Anjuna that have licenses to operate and those operating without. The judges have asked GSPCB to include petitioner Desmond Alvarez in the surprise raid team, although past experiences suggest that lawbreakers are often tipped off by the police about imminent raids. The next hearing is scheduled for 22nd July. Bureau Report, Herald TV.
पोनास टोके मॉल देवयलें देखून गोवा मायल्स टॅक्सी ऑपरेटरांक पेडणेच्या आमदाराच्या दाराच्या उमऱ्यार जालेल्या झगड्यान थंयच्या टॅक्सी ऑपरेटरांनी बरेच बुडयले. पूण गिरायकाक उणें दुडू सांगलेल्या गोवा मायल्साची टॅक्सी चलोवप्यांक सुमारा भायर मारलो ते सारकें आसा वो ना हो प्रस्न हेराल्ड टीव्हीन फुडाऱ्यांक विचारलो. तांणी दिलेल्यो जाप्यो आयचे स्ट्रीट व्हॉयसीस कार्यावळींतल्यान तुमच्या मुखार मांडटा.
Question is it justified for a Goa Miles taxi driver to be mercilessly beaten up for undercharging? Now, when you look at it, माहिती दिसून आता अंडर चार्जिंग करता कोणी मारता ओव्हर चार्जिंग आता हेजे कारण कितें हेजे कारण इज दॅट बाय अंडर चार्जिंग you are depriving or cutting or undercutting the normal price, and which is the bread and butter which are so called our own local drivers. Now whether this undercharging could be absolutely right, undercharging could be absolutely wrong. The question is, can one take law into your hands? And why is this happening? Unless until there is some people who are in power, whether it is the police, whether it is the administrative side, whether it is the politician, whether it is the elected representative, encouraging these people to take law in their hands. But tell me one thing, with such scenarios, even when you see the governments are many times taking law into their hands, without any judicial procedure, we are hearing about bulldozing taking place, fake encounters taking place, accused are being treated like an encounter and they are eliminated. Now when you common man sees this, he also believes that I should take the law in the hand.
जो इश्यू हा आमच्या गोंयच्या टॅक्सी ओनर्स और टॅक्सी आनी गोवा मायल्सांचो हो इतल्या पावण्याचेर पावलेले कडेन हा फिजिकल अटॅक जाले आनी ते जाल्यार एक इलेक्टेड रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हच्या दारान हितून कितें दाखयता हो एक इश्यू हो गंभीर हा आनी पॉलिटिसायज जाल्ले कडेन हे सोंपपाक म्हणचें वा फायट सोंपपाक म्हणचें बहुत मुश्कील हा तर हितून कितेंय तरी गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टरान सोल्युशन काडूंक जाय ना तर आमचे गोंयचे एम्बेसेडर म्हणटात जे इकॉनॉमी बॅकबोन ऑफ द गोवन ट्युरिझम इकॉनॉमी हे आमचे आनीक ना पिड्यार जाताले पयलेच आमचे ड्रग्सांनी आनी ह्यो रेप केसीस आनी दीस एंड दॅट म्हणून सारके पिड्यार जाल्ले कडेन आहा आनी जरी तरी हें जालें हे जे आमचे एम्बेसेडर्स म्हणटा पळय ते जाल्यार उरल्या पळय तें काबार आतां ऑफ सिजनाक लागून ही आतां बिजनस डावन हा हे म्हणून ही झगडी जाल्ल्या कडेन आहा पण एट द सेम टायम जे आमचे गोंयचे नीज गोंयकार जावं ओनर्स ऑर टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर्स आहा पळय ते बिजनस कोत्ताले तांकां सगळे कायदे लागू आहा जावं युनिफॉर्म स्पीड गव्हर्नर्स मिटर्स फेर मिटर आनी कितें बॅचीस सगळे पुणून जे हे गोवा मायल्स आहा पळय तांकां तेंच आहा काय वो तेव्हा हाडून तांकां बसयल्ल्या कडेन आहा सो हितून पीस ऑफ केक खावपाक जे पळय कोणें हें हाडला गोवा मायल्स ओके त्या क्रेडिकेट हाडला तेणी चिंतूंक जाय आसलें बाबा एक डेस्टिनेशन तांकां दिवन बाबा तांकां सांगोंक जाय आसलें ओ हेंकां येवंक जाय पिकअप और ड्रॉप कितें आहा पळय ती आनी खंयच्या लोकेशनान हे आतां भायर ट्यूर मारून येतात भायले हिंगा हाडून दाखयतात पूण जे भायर चलता न्हू ते हिंगा ते हें करिनात लागू करिनात कित्याक आमी ट्यूर मारून येयलो आमच्या टॅक्स पेयराच्या फुसार ट्यूर मारून येयले स्टडी ट्यूर केलो पूण एंड ऑफ द डे हे सगळे काबार करता मागता हें तर स्ट्रीमलायन करचें पडटलें ना तर फुडाराक खूब पेरी गेपार आहा हेच्या वयर म्हज्यान कांयच उलोवंक जायना मागता ते टॅक्सी कडेन टॅक्सी ओनरां कडेन टॅक्सी आमचे गोंयचे आहा पळय ते आनी हो आमचो मिनिस्टर आहा ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर आहा तेकाय मागता एक तांकां सोल्युशन दिवचें कितें हें करूं हें आहा पळय ते आनी हो जो इश्यू जाला पळय तो तेजो सॉल्व करचो
सर काल पेडण्यान ही गोवा मायल्स टॅक्सी ऑपरेटर न्हू ते कमी चार्ज करता म्हणून लोकल ते टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर पेडण्याचे खबर ते तेंच्या बरोबर झगडले म्हणजे धक्कामुक्की जाली सो हाचेर तुमी कशी रिएक्ट करता हाऊ डू यू रिएक्ट
Most important thing today is livelihood, economy of scale. Goa Miles is a big app-based organization. It is fully automatic on the app. So our local taxi drivers, single taxi owners, there are other taxi owners. It's a survival instinct of theirs. So when they feel threatened, they are bound to react because these people are lowering the rate to reach more people. आता पळय तुम्ही सांगता गोंयाचं एग्जाम्पल पळय अमूल दूद येयला आनी गोवा डेअरी स्लोली हिंगा बुट्स आहा ते बंद जायले कित्याक गोवा डेअरी स्लोली उणें जाता. अमूल बीग गुजरात कंपनी अमूल मिल्क येता सगळे आतां अमूल वयता. अमूल वॉज ऑब्जेक्टेड इन कर्नाटका because it's a Gujarat base. Karnataka said no, we have our own milk supply. Why we will not encourage our own people? So Goans should be encouraged in Goa, Goan taxi drivers. And that justification that some Goan taxi drivers drive Goa miles is not factually correct. And I am appealing to Travel and Tourism Association of Goa to not to push the taxi drivers because they are the lower end of your economy to the wall and always pinpoint that they are as if they are the very thugs. They are surviving, that is a small survival instinct. They cannot compete because of they cannot lower the rates because they cannot compete. You must find a way out for them. The government has exploited them, put meters. Are meters functioning? The governors has put speed governors. Are the governors functioning? Who is checking on that? So what are you exploiting the taxi drivers politically only, using them during election and then dumping them? It's not correct. Goa is a small state. They should not be swallowed by big app-based companies who lower the rate and bring lower rates to undercut this. Hoteliers and other people must understand. Once upon a time, you were small hotels, some of them. They have grown big with the help of taxi drivers. They used to bring the local taxi drivers. There was nothing. Now Goa is on the world map. It was always in the world map. But now, surprisingly, Goa is on the local domestic map like anything like before. It is loaded with domestic tourists who spend on the local transport. And so we have to find a way out.
पोरची कांपालार बागवान महावीर बाल विहार जे चिल्ड्रन्स पार्क म्हूण चड फामाद आसा ती बाग घसघश्यांचो पावस पडून बुडल्या. हे बागेन उदक बरो नासलें, जाका लागून हे बागेक उदक भायर सरून वचूंक वाट आसा वो ना ते विशीं गंभीर प्रस्न उप्रासला.
The past few days have been critical for the state as heavy rains caused massive destruction. During this time, the Bhagwan Mahavir Bal Vihar, popularly known as Children's Park in Kampal Panjim, was flooded, raising concerns over its drainage system. Typically, the sand in the park soaks up water, keeping it damp and wet, but this time it turned into a pond, highlighting potential issues with its water-seeping properties. Sagun for Herald TV.
कलाकार डायरेक्टर आसलेल्या गौरव बक्षीन आपणाक सोतायतात म्हूण मंत्री नीलकांत हालनकारा आड कापलीन घाला ते विशीं उलयताना बक्षी आनी मंत्र्या मदीं जें कितें जालां ती सादी गजाल आसा, पूण पुलिसेन ताचे आड खोटी केस घाल्या अशें बक्षीचो अद्वोगात नायजेल डिकॉस्तान फ्रांसान सांगलें. बक्षीचे जे आरोप घाल्यात ते फोट आसात आनी पुलीस गोंयचे बाद सोतायतात म्हूण बक्षीचे पत्नीनूय सांगलें.
So we have argued the bail application just now. The investigating officer has filed his say. I don't want to comment on the merits of the case because it's not proper. The matter is still sub judice. It is kept for orders at 2:30, but I'm sure justice will be done and Gaurav will be released on bail. The offence, no offence was made out. The FIR is completely false and motivated, as I've said. And I hope and I'm sure that justice will be done in this matter, and thereafter we will see what further needs to be done legally in this case.
So overall, how is seen under this case?
There was no case for an FIR and certainly no case for the arrest. He surrendered himself, of course, but there was so much of pressure on him and his family that he was to be arrested the previous night, the next morning. There was no urgency and this was not that serious a matter at all. And there was no case for arrest. And therefore, I'm sure that the court will do him justice, and whatever legal steps that needs to be done, he will take it in due course of time.
So what points they have mentioned in this case?
They have said various things that he has given some, that he had an altercation with the minister and his staff, he obstructed the minister's vehicle, that he gave some bites alleging that the minister is corrupt, etc., which was never done, and other things which we have dealt with. I don't want to comment on the merits, but that's what they have said, and those will be proved to be false in due course of time.
Like Nigel said, that this entire matter has been inflated and created. There was no basis for the FIR in the first place, and the entire harassment that we and our family had to go through could have been avoided. The rest, like yesterday, there were initially the two sections were available, and when we came here, we learned that a non-bailable section has been added.
दुसऱ्या फादर ब्रुनो लेईताव मेमोरियल कॉप 2024 टोर्नामेंटाच्या खेळान पोयतो माडो कुंकोली पोंगडान CACSS कांसावली पोंगडाचेर 9-1 गोल मारून क्वार्टर फायनलान प्रवेश केलो. ओमोन बुलगावपी खेळ युनियन ऑफ चिचिडी विलेजसान चिचोळे मैदानार घडून हाडलो.
In the exciting match, Portomado Kunkolam scored in the very first minute to make it 1-0. Kunkolam kept on attacking, and in the 6th minute, Delo Carvalho scored with a neat finish to make it 2-0 for Kunkolam. Joliton Fernandes, Matthew Fernandes, and Trijoy Dias also added their names to the score sheet by scoring in the 16th, 18th, and 19th minutes respectively, making it 5-0 for Portomado Kunkolam. Consolam tried hard to come back in the game and managed to score in the 22nd minute. At halftime, the score remained 5-1 in favor of Kunkolam. In the second half, Kunkolam players dominated the Consolam area. Daulat Desai scored his second goal, while Bradley Carvalho, Van Peers, and Alistair Fernandes also added their names to the score list, making the final score 9-1. The Player of the Match award was given to Daulat Desai by Mrs. Joyce Rebello, Parch member of the village Panchayat Chinchin Induswa. Inacio for Herald TV.
आयच्या कोबरापुत्रान इतलेच. हेराल्ड टीव्ही कोबरापुत्र आयकोलें देखून तुमकां देव बरें करूं. ओदी कोबरा खातीर उपकार करून आमकां फेसबुकार आनी ट्विटराचेर फॉलो करात.